Today we're going to do an unboxing on this S17 drone quadcopter. Just made a video on this one here. We purchased 2 drones. Now we're going to open this one up here. This one comes in a nifty little case. And it comes with a set of instructions, a charger. Oh, dope. This one even has batteries for the remote. I did not see that. Here is the drone itself. This one has 2 batteries, and there's the size comparison. And then this one here, you could open up the flaps. You just bring them out, just like so. And this bottom one's down here. This one also has a camera. That one there does not. And there we have it. Nifty little thing. Comes with screwdriver, batteries, some propeller guards, some propellers, and a propeller removal. So here are the batteries. I have both of these fully charged as well, and these will just go inserted in here and lock it into place. Perfect. We're also going to be putting on the guards. They provide batteries, blades, and a screwdriver, which is nice, and a tool to remove the propellers as well. These will simply slap on from underneath, just like so, and they'll go right into here. Alright, and this is the remote. The remote that it has a flap so you could put your phone there. It has a trick spin, speed. This is the directional pad to be able to fine adjust the drone. Launch, quick launch, land, emergency kill button. This is so you can take pictures. If you press it, it'll take a picture. If you hold it down, it'll start taking video. And then this one here, I believe it's for headless mode. In headless mode, what it is let's say for instance you put your drone there, that's facing straight. You press headless mode, no matter which direction you're going, headless mode is always going to be functional. So for instance, when it is not in headless mode, when it's like this, it's inverted, or the this is the front. So when it's like this, it's inverted. So instead of going this way, you're going the other way, versus like so. So headless mode will keep it the same directional pad, and you don't have to remember which way that's going. Anyways, let's turn on our drone. Hold this down for 3 seconds. There it is. Then we'll press our drone on here, our remote, and there it connected. And same thing to calibrate it. We'll hit this here, and there it is calibrated. We'll launch it up. Come on. Maybe it's not calibrated. Oh, we have to hit that. And there it is. Pretty cool. And you come over here. It's a nifty little one. Pretty quiet. Sounds like bees. And then we'll start calibrating to see it's going forward. Bring it back. Bring it back. To the side. To the side. Come on. Still going forward. And you pretty much want to balance it there so it stays nice and leveled. So when you stop, it stays nice and leveled. Perfect. And let's see if we could do a little trick shot. Oh, that was sick. Let's do another one. And then it'll do it any directional way that you choose. So let's do a front one. Let's do it backwards. Oh, that's sick. That's pretty sweet. So now it's going a little back. Press that once. There, stopped. Perfect. My son's over here driving his. And now I did download the app for this. So let's download the app and let's check out the camera. Alright, so here we are on the app. We'll go ahead and get started. And it looks like we have to create an account. All right, and we'll accept everything it's asking us for to do. Let's see, we'll hit play. And we are in the drone mode there. And let me bring this back up. I think we have to connect to the Wi-Fi for it. So let me connect the Wi-Fi.
Did we go down?
All right, and there I'll connect to the drone. And we'll come back out of here. Go back into the app itself. Always connect. So there we have you on the app, and let's
I had to fly it too.
let's take her up. Oh, my son already got his stuck in the tree. It's all a learning process. These drones are pretty difficult to fly until you get the hang of it. But I really feel like it's worth it. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun device. Andrew, we can see your butt crack. It's pretty sick. Here we have the dogs. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh! That's a long one.
And like when I said, when it's not facing the correct way, it gets a little tricky. It's a little hairy. But there it is. And let's see what the trick shot looks like in the camera. Oh, come on. The drone is like drifting away. I think we're gonna have to land it and readjust it. Or let's see if I can adjust it. Okay, here we go. Come on, come on. All right, let's see if we can do a trick shot. Woo! Man, we do trick shots all day. Ooh, that was sick. Overall, this drone's pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty sick. And like I said, the more you get to drive it, the more you get the hang of it. So practice makes perfect. You have to try this over and over and over again till you get it correctly. Crazy, huh? But overall, pretty fun. These are the new RC remote control cars, honestly. Remote control coppers. Quad coppers. Sick. And let's go for our landing. Let's go for our table here. And then we'll press the button to make our landing. And there we have it. And there it is. That is my review on this S17. I really like this drone. This drone is nice and sleek and tiny, and the camera works on it and it gets the job done. I like my son's little drone. It has these little protective guards to begin with. Pretty sick. Lights up. Yeah. Pretty sick. Okay. Sweet. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And the battery just died on this one here. And once the battery dies, it seems like it wants to crash land itself. Lasted maybe about, I don't know, a good 10 minutes or so, but I was using the camera as well, so that more than likely probably killed the battery a lot faster because it's using Wi-Fi as well. So I'm guessing if you don't use it with Wi-Fi or with the camera, it'll probably last longer. But it's not bad. I really like it. It's tiny, it's slick, it's pretty sick. I like it. What do you guys think? Got it for Amazon for like 40 bucks. Not bad. good amount to have some fun. Look, got the older kids out here playing with the drones. They're sick. I didn't know how to drive them. This is our third and fourth one. 1 and 2 are no longer in history. But hey, that's how you get to learn how to drive these, and I honestly think that it's super worth it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. One thing I forgot to mention on this control, this little button here is a little tricky. You gotta use like something small enough to be able to press that button all the way down and be able to slide this little box out to be able to slip in the 3 AAA batteries that they provided that I did not know about. That's pretty sick. I just installed the new battery and we're good to go for another 10 minutes. Sweet. Thank you for watching.